Hello to all my old friends and new friends who are watching today. I wanted to share with you one of my favorite chicken rice bowls. Let's start by cutting up 2 chicken breasts into smaller pieces. Alternatively, if you don't like chicken breast meat, you can use chicken thigh meat instead. To add some nice flavor to the chicken, let's marinate it with a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Set it aside as we prepare the sauce. For this quick and easy honey garlic sauce, you will need 1 minced garlic, a 1/4 cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1/2 tablespoon of hoisin sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of oil to a pan on high heat, then stir fry the chicken until it's golden on both sides. Once the chicken is golden on both sides, add the sauce and continue to cook the chicken in the sauce until it thickens up so that the sauce coats the chicken. To finish off this dish, add some diced green onion and toasted sesame seeds. This dish pairs perfectly with some fresh steamed rice, avocado, and roasted sweet potatoes. If you like today's recipe, remember to hit the like button. Thank you for watching and see you next time.